Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to BIOS updates using a network on HP. Before we update the BIOS, let's check the version of the current BIOS. Here is our BIOS current version. Okay, now close the system information. Hold the shift button and click on Restart. Our computer will be restarted. Click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then UEFI firmware settings. After that, click on Restart. Select BIOS Setup and hit Enter. Now we are on the main page. Here, select the Update System BIOS. Tick mark on the Allow BIOS Updates using a network. After that, BIOS Update Preferences. Set the BIOS source URL to hp.com. Once done, save it. Now plug in the Ethernet cable to your computer and click on the Test Network Connection. As you can see, our network server connection is working perfectly. Once everything has been done, click on checkhp.com for BIOS updates. Here you can also see the current and the new BIOS update version. Click on Update and it prepares the update. Now it's downloading the new BIOS files over the internet. Click on Reboot. Wait for the computer to restart automatically. It might take a few minutes for the computer to restart. When the lock screen displays, sign into your computer. Now let's check again. And it successfully updates the BIOS to the latest version. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.